Okay, this is our new single seat touring kayak called PRESTO. It's made of rotomold polyethylene. It's fast and nimble. It's got nice seats, control of the rudder, quick release right there. Lock it in. So the rudder is included already. Nice one. Got handle at the back, hatch at the back, plenty of space for your gears and supplies and things needed for long distance paddling. Enough space for a large person. Yakima style footrest. Got knee pads here. Nice control of the seat. It's controlling the seat right there. I got the front hatch here. Plenty of space for long distance paddling. So these are OEM product. And the front or the bow handle. Nice. I don't know what this is for. For your gears, like GPS and all that stuff. You get bungee cords here for your maps, and also at the back you get safety ropes, safety lines, just in case you fall off. Nice, huh? Yakima style footrest. It's plastic, but still okay. Here's the control of the rudder. This one. Turn left, right, turn left, right. The rudder will do like that. The stern handle. Plenty of space, nice color. Now, at 153 Julio, Pacana Street, Puntod, Cagayan City. We only have 2 units of this, so hurry. Don't miss out. The fast touring kayak, very nimble. This is way better than you don't have to worry about rocks. Don't worry much about rocks and boulders, unlike with fibre-glass and thermoform. Thermoform is nice, it's shiny, Fiberglass is also nice and shiny, but if you hit rock with that one, forget it. This one, rotomold polyethylene, is way better, more rugged. You don't have to worry about rocks and boulders because these can survive. They use rivets for all the installations. They use rivets, man. They use rivets too here.